Hi, this is John Boyer with Namescape. I'm on a team that works with IT departments in the Mid-Atlantic as well as federal government for my company. And I want to show you this week how we can use the software joBot to easily set up an email notification to go out automatically to those users that have an expired password as well as those that have a password that might expire in the next couple of days. This improves overall communication from your help desk to the end user. And the end user that might need this the most would be one that does not reboot their computer each night, or perhaps logs in remotely and does not access the network frequently. So I'll step you through how it is easy to set up these notifications, as well as to put in a link to hook up to their password reset website where they can avoid having to send a help desk ticket to begin with. So it's really quick and simple. Hope you enjoy it. Let's go take a look. So as you see here, this is Namescape's joBot, and what we're going to do is set up a job where joBot will notify a user if their password is going to expire within a certain time frame. So to do this, we're going to create a new job, and there's a couple of different modules here, but we're looking in the password category. We're going to do a job for password expiration notification. We'll just call this those with expired passwords. And now that we have the title put in, we're going to set when we want it to happen. You have a couple options. Constantly will run all the time. I suggest you just do daily so that each night, we can have it set for weekdays as well. Have it set for it to check for anyone that has an expired password. We're not going to select any end date, we'll just have it go from today's date and time. And when we configure the job, we're going to have it search the entire directory. We can also point to a specific OU or domain. And what we're going to do, you can set here the time frame for when the password's going to expire. You can do 10 days, 14 days, 3 days, whatever it is that you want to set. I'm just going to select password has expired. We're going to have the email go out when we pick the right email server, the text line as well as the template. You can go in and configure the template. And you can have the notification be sent to the user, and you can also send it to an additional email or group. You're going to generate a report at the end of the day to see who has received these notifications. But all we're going to do now is click OK. And once we hit OK, the job is now set to go. So it's going to check it daily. You can suspend the job to run at a different time. But I'm just going to run the job right now. Yes. And it's currently running, and what it's doing is checking all the accounts for expired passwords, and at the same time, when it notifies or notices that a user has an expired password, they receive a notification. So for example, this is Don Adams. He has an expired password account. Just says your information is expired. Now you can add to the template a link to go to My Password, which is what our password reset program is at Namescape. And if you want to point it to My Password, this will allow the user to reset and change their password after they fill out the profile. We could get into this a little bit more at a later time. So that's how easy it is to set up those notifications. Hope you enjoyed it. Now it's your turn to take a look for yourself. Go to namescape.com to download an evaluation copy, or you can email me at john.boyer@namescape.com, and I'll be glad to help you. Thank you so much.